Check it out, guys. I got something different for you today. We got an RC excavator. Come on. Who doesn't love construction toys? I'm going to open it up and give you an honest review. All right, let's open this up. Oh, check it out. How cool looking is that? Come on, man. You know, when I grew up, we had the Tonka trucks and all that. You had to manually move it around. I would have killed for something like this to be RC back in the day. So check it out. Man, what is it? Oh yeah, it's metal. Feels like a metal bucket there. Let's see, we got a magnet here. Oh no, so okay, so it must be aluminum. That's good. It won't rust when you probably scrape off the paint. But check it out. We got a cylinder here, a little cylinder here. So we got some tracks that move. Yeah, man, it looks amazing. Oh, so okay, so we have two cylinders here. They are a little on the thin side. So there's just a lot of flexibility. But this RC right now is on Amazon. It's $120. There's a $40 coupon. Brings it to 80 bucks. Not bad, man. I'll tell you what, if I was a kid, I would love to get this for Christmas. Oh, okay, so we got a battery door down here. Then we got the on-off switch. How cool is that? So pretty realistic looking cabin. Let's see here, we got some controls here. Got the little seat, everything. A little mirror. Here we go. Got a mirror and a handrail here. Oh, look, a little skylight. Joysticks in here. This thing, yeah, it looks nice. Look. Make childhood more fun. Hell yeah. In the box, you get an owner's manual. Let me see, we just basic functions here. There's not much to it. Pretty thin manual. You get like a hammer driver deal thing, a little like jackhammer that attaches. So this thing actually has two other attachments that go onto here. The claw. This is getting better. A basketball. Two chargers and a little screwdriver. Two lithium-ion batteries to keep the fun going. And a remote control. It's pretty cool. It looks like a PlayStation remote. Yeah, this should be fun. So you know the deal. We're going to go ahead and take it outside, put the GPS on here, see how fast it goes. We're going to set up the ramp, see how well it jumps. And do you believe... No, we're not doing that. Come on, guys. You got to have a little fun. No, we're not. We're going to charge up the batteries. We're going to take it out, and we're going to test out all three attachments and see how this runs and drives. So we'll see you outside. All right, let's see if it can climb. Oh no! Yeah, there we go. Let's get a little more weight forward, I think. Maybe that'll help. Yeah, look at that. And then we need to bring that back up. Oh no. Look at that. Also check it on the front of the cab. We have these lights, which you can also trigger by hitting the button. Or anytime you move it, they come on. Now, before we get into this, just remember this is a kid's toy, so it's very lightweight. It's lightweight plastic, so don't expect to actually do some real excavating with this. Also, remember I don't have any experience with this thing, so I'm kind of learning as I go, looking at the pictures here, trying to think carefully what I'm going to do. Oh, look at that. All right, so now we want to boom this up. Then we go sideways. Buck it out. Drop the dirt. Yeah, there we go. That's freaking cool. So let's, okay, now. So let's get the, and then maybe, so don't worry, that clicking you hear, that's normal. That's what you want to hear. That's just clutches, because I am overdoing it. All right, so what do we want to bring? No. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, check it out, man. We got a load there. All right, so we want to, yeah, bring that there. Bring that up. Oh no, no, no. I'll tell you what, man, this would be great for kids, man. Good muscle memory here. Look at that. Kind of like, you know, the RC planes. Kind of got to learn where everything's at. Oh, that's freaking cool. Yeah. So let's see, boom this in. There we go. Put the bucket out. Check it out. Oh, that's freaking cool. Uh-oh. Got some of the wife's strings starting to get caught up here. Luckily, she was planting some blueberries here, or whatever these things are. And we got a nice little mound of dirt to play in. So let's just try one more. Alright. So that's as far down as that goes, huh? Okay. Oh yeah, we got it scooping. We got it scooping. Alright, it's time to try some of the other attachments. So let's bring this down. We're probably going to want to get this bucket extended all the way out. Let me see here. We have 2 pins right here that you're going to push in on to pop this thing out, and I can't get my fat fingers in there. There we go. Just use a stick here. Kind of help us. Well, see, that's all you have is just these pins. So, real easy to get out, no tools involved. Let's try this jackhammer piece. And then we have this connector right here, which is going to go as a port right here. Let me see if I can see right here under the arm. So we have that port. Oh yeah. Oh, see if we can't break up this piece of dirt here. Now to operate that piece, ooh. All right. Boom up. Bring this in. There we go. Now I will say this left and right, I wish it was a little bit slower. This feature, it's a little fast, man. It's making it hard to line stuff up here. Oh no. All right, let's try this again. Check that out, man. Ooh. That's freaking cool. Oh, there's a big piece over here. Let's see. And time for the third attachment. Let's get the claw on here. Operate the claw. We're just going to push this button, and it just kind of does an open and close motion. Now they give you the basketball for this, but I want to try something out here. See if we can't maybe grab a piece of dirt, one of these rocks we've been trying to break up. Ah. Come on. Come on. There we go. We got it. Ah! I'm hitting the wrong buttons. I need to... So there we go. Go down a little bit. Let's go up. No, I dropped it. There we go. We got it. We got it. We got it. Cool. Now we need to get this boulder out of here. It's bad boulder. Let's see, where are we going to drop it? Yeah. Let's boom down a little bit. Ah. There we go. That is freaking cool. Ladies and gentlemen, man. There you have it, man. The Ruco 1561 excavator. 3 different attachments. Like I said, it's a kid's toy. So it's not heavy duty. It's not metal. So it's not, you know, designed for coming out here and actually doing real excavating. I mean, if you see the price of those real ones, they are crazy expensive. But this is just fun. It's good for kids to come out here. Really think it helped with the hand-eye coordination, learning how to use the controller here. I like the fact that these attachments pop on and off without any kind of tool, and even the cat likes the RC. Come on, buddy, you're my shot. I mean, pretty cool that we have sound effects, and the fact that you can turn them off, so if you don't want them or if it gets too much, you can make it quiet. Like I said, I do wish the that movement there was a little slower, a little more fluid. It's kind of just jerky and fast. And another problem with that too is the battery is back here underneath, so you have to get this thing lined up perfect to get the battery out, which sometimes can be a challenge. I did find one neat thing by accident. I went to pick this thing up and then found out this cover pops off, and it gives you a little, there's just like a little motor back there. I think that would be cool, like if the battery maybe were right there, a little easier access. And then you wouldn't need a screwdriver to get the battery out. So might be something they'll maybe think about doing. But I really like the way it looks. It's really detailed. It looks amazing. So it's not super heavy duty construction equipment. It's really nice that the clutches are built in so you don't strip anything out. I would say downside too is I don't see any listing for additional parts, so I'm not sure if you can contact the manufacturer if you break something, if these treads wear out, if you can buy any of that. But this isn't a RC car going 20-30 miles an hour crashing into the furniture, breaking stuff either. So oh yeah, it even has a little backup thing. But so no extra parts. A little fast on this, the battery compartment being underneath. I'm nitpicking on that part, but other than that, I really like the RC. It's got some great details to it. I think it's just fun. Like I said, it's a kid's toy. I wouldn't expect to come out here and actually do some real excavating. That's why they give you a basketball to play around with that, because it is quite hard to pick stuff up. But you can mess around with anything lightweight that you can grab. And then, like I said, 2 attachments. You have the bucket, you got the jackhammer. I think it's awesome, man. It's amazing.
I think kids would be really happy to have this on Christmas, a birthday, or just, you know, for whatever. Have it laying around for the grandkids come over, or if you just want to have some fun, moving stuff around. I like it, man. I think this thing's pretty cool. So this was given to me to review, but it doesn't sway my opinion on anything in any way, shape, or form. I'll always give you an honest opinion as to what I think of these cars. So, but I do think this thing is pretty cool, and there's a link down below to where you can purchase it. All right, everyone. Hope you found this informative, entertaining, and maybe you'll consider picking one of these up. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.